Welcome to Muse's Sight Word Shape Up. Here are the words in today's session. Get ready. This is the word be. What word? Be. She wants to be an astronaut. She can be an astronaut. This is the word ran. What word? Ran. Those children ran very fast. They ran fast. This is the word have. What word? Have. What would you like to have for lunch today? Would you like to have some pizza? This is the word brown. What word? Brown. Oh, what a cute little brown dog. The dog is brown. This is the word am. What word? Am. I am so sad. I am sad. This is the word eat. What word? Eat. What does she like to eat? She loves to eat vegetables. This is the word do. What word? Do. Do you enjoy riding your bike outside? Do you like to ride bikes? This is the word who. What word? Who. Who can tell me the name of this letter? Who can answer the question? We finished today's words. Now let's read them again. Be. Ran, have, brown, am, eat, do, who. Now get ready to try them on your own. Great job! You finished today's Shape Up. If you want a few more ways to practice with today's words, then check out our Teachers Pay Teachers store. Be sure to check us again next time. Like and subscribe. We'll see you later.